Okay, let's give this a shot debugging together, okay? I just have the files loaded in here as you had them posted to you. And so the first thing we're going to do is try and compile. And let's see how far we get. Nope, some problems, okay? Cannot find symbol. So it's pointing at the word string. Well, string is part of Java. Oh, class case sensitive. Okay, so we're going to fix that. Next one, it cannot find symbol, WA. Well, no, it can't find WA. There's no WA declared in here. Okay, so clearly WA is supposed to be a word analyzer kind of thing. So let's make one of those. And we're going to have to call the constructor for it. That's how we create an object. And how does the constructor work? Let's go back and take a look in the class code. It says the recipe is word analyzer and then string. The recipe says you have to feed it a string. So what string am I going to feed this? Well, the string that's being passed to the method. Okay, so that's called S. So I'll just put S in there. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. I got a lot fixed up. Give another compile. Says, oh, no. You have a problem. A character can't be turned into a string. So the string on the left, this thing is returning a character. Let's double check that. First repeated character, yeah. Look at that, it does return a character. Okay, so, sorry. Really, we didn't want a string over here, we wanted a character. Okay, next it says, you've got a problem here because you've got a string and then 0. Well, you know what that reminds me? That shouldn't be equals 0, it should be equals. I changed it from a string to a character. So now I'm not going to have that problem because characters and integers are very close to each other, right? They're just the ASCII lookup table away. That's how a computer stores characters. And so it's not going to have a problem comparing a character to an integer. So let's clear this out and give it another try. Come on. Oh, we're in. So let's run it. No main method. What do you mean? There it is. Oh, case sensitive language. Let's fix up main. One more try. Great. So, oops, cancel that. I said I had it. Okay, so it did A, it did 0, it did T, and then it blew up. Okay, what was supposed to have A? It was supposed to have 0, it was supposed to have T. And the comment's even wrong here, right? That should say T. And then these two. So now it's compiling, but it's not running. Okay, we found all the syntax errors. We have to find the logical errors. So let's open up the canvas. Okay, let's walk through the first. There's repeated character A, repeated character O, repeated character T. We're not having a problem with those, but I want to step into this next one. Okay, and it's going to make a word analyzer. That's really just a string, so that's kind of a tiny little object. Now we're about to call first repeated character. Let's step into that method and see what we have. All right, we take a step and it plucks out a character, M. Then it compares M and checks if it's equal to the letter next to it. So it's going to be comparing M and A. They're not going to be the same. Nope, they're not. Yeah, that's what it should be doing. Then it comes down, it picks up the A. And in this if statement, it compares A with the letter next to it, T. They're not going to be the same. Working good so far. Picks up T, compares it with the E. Okay, so there were no doubles here. Oh, but now we're still in the for loop. So it picks up the E, and now it's trying to compare E with the letter that comes after E. But there isn't one, and that's why we're getting the string index out of range error message. So let's fix that up. We just went one time too far in the for loop. Okay, so let's recompile everybody and run them all again. Can't run this guy, I have to be in the tester to run it. And here we are. So let's just see what we're getting on the output. A, O, T, no repeated character. No repeated character. Okay, because remember the repeated character is looking for one right next to it. Okay, so I just want to show you how useful it is to be able to use the debugger, get in there, walk through your methods, okay? And that's what I wanted you to practice on this one. So if you didn't get it done in time for the homework, go back and take a review of that now, okay? All right, great, thanks.